Hello everyone, this is Quinn from Power Admin. Today I'm going to show you how to add an event log monitor to a server and then monitor for a specific application's errors. So let's get started with that. We're going to right click on the server, say add new monitor, and we're going to go down and find the event log monitor. And in the menu for this, you'll see several things. First off, you'll notice that all of the event sources and event logs that are on that remote machine will appear and, of course, give you the default settings. Since we're only wanting to monitor a specific application, I'm going to go ahead and remove the event sources that we're checking, the default ones. And I'm going to scroll down and select just the application that we're interested in monitoring for, and it's our backup software. So we're going to go and we're going to select the Air and Critical for the Veeam backup service, backup and replication. At this time, if you want to monitor for a specific ID or text on an event, you can click the filters box here and you can monitor for all events, or you can change this to include just an event ID or some text, and you can see the format of that information here. You can also put in excludes, so if you want to see everything but you want to exclude a specific event ID, you can add the ID here as well. Once you've made that selection or created those, go ahead and select OK and go back. We're going to cancel. We're not going to add any. We want to see all of them in ours. Okay, so the event log monitor by default will come up and say that it's going to monitor the event logs, application, security, and system. But since we're only monitoring an application, we're going to go ahead and remove those, the security and system on this. At this time, we want to go ahead and make just a few changes to identify this monitor. We're going to change the name of it by going to the advanced options, selecting details, and we're going to change the default name from event log monitor to Veeam event log monitor. Not a big change, but we'll be able to tell the difference in the configuration in the console. And now let's go ahead and add some actions. We're going to go in and we're going to select that we want to see an email sent to these right here, and also we want to do the same emails when those alerts are acknowledged. So we're going to add those to both of those sides for the monitor. We're going to say OK. We're going to check the schedule, and it should, about every hour, it's going to periodically run and check for those alerts. Okay, so we're all set. So all we need to do now is say OK, and it will add the monitor to our specific server. If you have any questions or anything, please contact us at support@poweradmin.com. Thank you, and have a great day.